My mother always said to me that extend your hand to make new friends, but always make sure you take back that hand when you are about to say goodbye. I am a person who does not believe in goodbyes because the world is a small house and at some point in time we are bound to cross paths again. Goodbye would mean that I am never going to see you again, which that is definitely not true. How can I even imagine not seeing you guys tomorrow? This might be the last day of school life, but trust me, the life that we are about to embark from tomorrow is filled with more colors and more beautiful words. When I was told by my teacher to give this farewell speech on behalf of the outgoing batch, I was not sure why she chose me, but I was 100% sure of what I wanted to say. I am a person who prepares for each and everything, whether it is for the exam, a small test, a small assignment, or even to have a conversation with my crush. But this is one much beautiful day in my life that I don't need any preparation for. Trust me, I have not prepared for even 1 second for this farewell speech. Every word that is coming out of my mouth today is coming directly from my heart, natural and pure. It was around 5 years back that I entered this campus as a lonely, gullible guy who had big ambitions and goals in life. Who knew 5 years hence I would still be single without a girlfriend, still with ambitions and goals not fulfilled. But one thing that has changed is I am no more lonely. I might have come to the campus without any friends on my own, but I am definitely leaving campus with hundreds of friends, not on my own. One small farewell speech by students is not enough to put out all the emotional roller coasters that is going on in my heart right now. On the other hand, I am happy that we have finally cleared all the exams and graduating and are done with our teachers' homework, assignments and project works. On the other hand, it just breaks me to even imagine that I would not be getting up tomorrow morning and coming to school to see my friends. It would not be fair if I say that I will miss only my friends. There are plenty of teachers on the campus who are more than just teachers. They are our friends and they are our guide of life. I don't want to take any names today because taking one name would mean that someone else is of less value. Each and every person on the campus has been a part of my journey in the last 5 years and has played one or the other role in shaping me and making me who I am today and helping me build my character. For that, I am forever grateful to each and every one of my friends, my teachers and all the non-teaching faculties on my campus. From having that unhealthy golgappa outside our school to eating the costly Maggie inside our school canteen, I can tell with 100% guarantee that each and every one of us will one day come back to the same campus and eat the same overrated Maggie, because it is not about the taste of the Maggie, but it is about the emotions that our canteen uncle puts into that. I am going to miss canteen and canteen uncle so much. I will not take much time and I will conclude my small speech by saying that I am not going to say goodbye to anyone, because goodbye means that I am not going to see you ever again. This is just the last day of our school life, but we have a beautiful life ahead. So let's enjoy this day with open hearts. I am sure our juniors have put an effort to make this day a memorable one for us. Thank you everyone and please try to miss.